Sometimes you need to use public computers in college, or school, or internet cafe, or maybe use your friend's mobile or PC. In that case, you may log in to access your accounts like Gmail or Facebook. Or you may search something personal. After that, you may forget to sign out or forget to erase your browsing history. So it's not good for you. So just use incognito mode on public PCs or mobiles. Let's see, I use Chrome browser, so I will show you to activate Incognito tab in Chrome. On your computer or mobile, open Chrome. Then, at the top right, click on the three-dot mark, then select New Incognito window. Here you go. It's not a bulletproof form of protection, but your browser won't save your browsing history, cookies, and site data, and information entered in forms. And also don't store your passwords. And when you are closing your browser, all your signed-in accounts in incognito mode will be automatically signed out. Porn is not the only reason you might want to cover your tracks when searching for information. You want to get information about a medical condition, and you'd rather not have the search terms pop up later on the family PC. Or maybe you're shopping for a surprise gift and you don't want to tell anyone, or any other reasons. Really, the reasons for keeping your browsing history private are endless. Your browser's private mode keeps your browsing privately. Of course, this means that when you use a public computer, the person who uses the computer after you cannot see what you've been doing. Incognito is mainly used to hide your activities from someone who has access to your device. But your internet service provider or government or network team can still see whatever you've done. And your downloaded data is all there, so if you're using Incognito, make sure you delete all the downloaded files manually.